let's reveal the contents of the BLING CreateAlong Box. Woohoo! My December CreateAlong Box is here, and this month's theme is bling. So let's see what we've got inside this little box of surprises. First up, I see we've got the next color of Dazzle Dust, which is quickly becoming one of my new favorites. You heat this dust up. You need to get your clay to, or the metal, or I've used it on wood too, to 300 degrees, and then use a heat gun or the oven, and you dip it or pour it. And I will show you how to use that, and we will experiment and see what color bling is. Okay, and after 2 coats, you can see that this basically has a clear base with a holographic blingy glitter effect. It's really gorgeous over a pattern beneath, like you can see on the half of the butterfly that has it applied. Sparkle! Speaking of bling, we have got these gorgeous crystals that have got a pale yellow golden tone, and I believe they are hot fix, which is even cooler. Let's see, we have got a brand new rubber stamp. And this one is called Light the Way. Alright, I've got some more of that ultramarine blue, and I'm going to texture it with the stamp. And again, just to bring in a little bit different color blue, I'm going to use some cosmic blue. To really detail and highlight that gorgeous pattern. Ooh, look at this fun mold. Gemstones, this is called. And you can see it's got all the little facet marks in there for these different cabs that you can make. You could use this for liquid clay or regular polymer clay, or resin and concrete and wax too, it says. Super cool. Can't wait to experiment with that one a bit. I want to make some cabochons to go with the jewelry that I'm thinking of for these veneers. So I'm going to use the mold, and I'm going to start with some clear liquid bakeable Sculpey. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of gold. And then some of the metallic leaf. I'm just going to kind of swirl it all a bit. And we will see after we bake what kind of fun effect we get. All right, so I am going to bake these and then I'll share those. In this package we have got a brand new stencil, and this one is called Starburst. We have also got a brand new silkscreen, and teal is my favorite color, so I am all over this gorgeous color of material, and it's even got some shimmer to it now. This is absolutely gorgeous. And this one is called Deco Rays. It's got a great Art Deco feel, and I think this is going to make some really pretty jewelry. I'm using some ultramarine blue hue Primo, and I've rolled it out to a setting number 3 on my Alice machine. And I'm going to start with the silkscreen, and I'm going to place it with the darker side down, or in this case the metallic side down, and I like to just roll it just to kind of make sure it's going to stay in place a bit. And then I'm going to use some gold acrylic paint to silkscreen. That is really, really pretty. You want to wash your silkscreen right away so that it's ready to use next time. And then we have got a 25 pack of gold leaf sheets. Bling it, baby, bling everything. Really fine leafing, and I'll show you one way to use that. Now I've got another small piece of the ultramarine blue, and for this one I'm going to use a piece of the leafing that came in this month's box, and you simply press it over and remove the excess. And I'm just going to crackle it a little. Alright, I have put the stencil over the section that we crackled with the leaf and rolled it in to raise the clay through those stenciled areas just a little bit. And I'm going to go over it with some sheer. This is Crystal Gloss Enamels, and it's somewhat sheer. It's a Deco Art paint. And we should end up with some somewhat transparent pretty blue stars on that field of gold crackle. This is actually, it's glass paint, so it's transparent glass paint. All right. We're going to let it dry, but I do think that that is going to be perfect. It shows the gold beneath, but that's really pretty. And here is what I made with the different elements. I used that cabochon in the center and cut out the area around it so that it's framed and it's actually translucent. It shows the light through it. And I made a fun little pair of earrings to go with the necklace. I'm Cindi McGee, and I hope you enjoyed learning what's inside the BLING CreateAlong Box. Remember to share your projects in our CreateAlong Polymer Clay Tribe Facebook group.